Trapper Jack the Joe, going to Ohio. Moved to Tennessee, what a place to be. Fly to Canada, Trapper Jack the Joe on a move too far. Cowboy Hat Marie, waiting for the ship, sailing to the sea. Cowboy Hat Marie ain't got no destiny. She's looking for a man who's looking for a wife, looking for a man who wants to live a cowboy life. Hey yo, yippee-yi-yay, Trapper Jack Joe and Hattie Marie. Hey yo, yippee-yi-yay, Joey and Marie. He dreams about a girl who loves the rodeo. She dreams about a man just the same as Jack or Joe. Cowboy Hat Marie's going to the jamboree. Cowboy Hat Marie, who you gonna see? Somebody who is cool, someone who is true. If Trapper Jack the Joe's gonna fall in love with you.